Good morning. So I'm about to leave. It starts to get hot. I will go direction to the mountain. Look at my face. I was crying. Why? You know, I've been traveling around the world for the last 8 years. And since the last 6 months, I'm traveling alone. Before I was with my ex-partner. And I never wanted to do alone because, I don't know, I never thought that would happen. And now, that's my situation. And it's okay. It's part of the life. A lot of times, nothing goes as expected. But that don't make it easier. Actually, I feel lonely. I feel sad. And it's so fucking hot already. And it's normal. I think all travelers at some point pass through that. The loneliness, the sadness. Because yes, it's a beautiful life. It is. Travel around the world in a motorbike. Beautiful, amazing, but not easy. And a lot of times it's very difficult. But people most of the time they don't see it. Because you from your house you just see the nice image, the nice landscape, so whatever we show here. But there is the moments that we don't show here. The moments we cry, the moments we feel that we are lost or we don't know what to do. And I talk with a lot of travelers, and most of them, to not say all of them, have that sometimes. And I just wanted to share it with you here because I think it's also part of the travel, and we have to be, I try at least here in my channel to be real, to show everything as it is. And that's the current situation now. I feel sad, but it's okay. I will continue. I have been through so many things, and it's not gonna be that's gonna stop me. So I'm leaving. Yeah, let's start the day. I have 270 kilometers to where I put. It shows here 4 hours. It's like a mountain road, so it's gonna be fun. And there probably I'm gonna stay 2 nights and rest a bit. I think I need rest my mind. I don't know what I really need. I just wow, look at that, beautiful. Let's see if I can find some supermarket. I'm gonna buy some fruit, water, and I don't know, something more. Okay, chicken. First chicken, my breakfast. First chicken and then next step. Hi, hello, chicken. This is good.
Yes.
Half.
Potong.
No spicy. This no.
Satu, tu, spicy.
No.
Tak mau?
No.
Satu kan?
Half. Yes.
Ni okey?
This better.
This better. Almost done. Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Wait.
Okay, eh?
Okay. No.
This here.
No. Only. No. Okay. Got everything. How much is this?
Ya. Boy, kalau 25 tak tahu nama.
1, 2, 3, 5.
25.
25.
Ni okey, dua ni.
Huh?
Kita potong sikit.
Yes.
Ni no eh?
No.
Okey. Okey.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So here are the first part of the breakfast. Now second. Let's see if I can find a salad or fruit. Can be just the chicken and some fruit. It's okay for me. Normally it's always like that. When I enter in a country for the first time, the first days are like I have to learn how is the food here, how to say thank you, how to say please, the way is everything. So let's make a stop in the supermarket somewhere or buy water. Actually here, what I realized since I entered in Malaysia, that is quite very different to Thailand actually. Even being a neighbor country, there is not too much things similar. Even the landscapes. Like, I'm trying to find a place to sit, a bench, but I don't think they are used to stop here to eat on the bench and like picnic thing like I saw a lot of places like that in Thailand. Here for now I didn't saw nothing. What the, let's see where I'm gonna sit to eat the chicken at least. If I don't find a bench, it's okay. I have a small chair here. I just have a place. I just need a place where I can park the bike, sit peacefully, and it. Wow, look at the view. Oh my god, beautiful. Love, 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 love. Dear family. So green. I think there behind that mountain is raining because it's very cloudy there. So I found that place. I'm gonna do here my coffee, eat a bit what I have here, and then continue.
At the ballroom in the Grace Hotel, in a song there was shock, there was trembling, and I heard a voice saying all is well. And in the heart of it all, you were smiling.
So I saw a hotel, and this is a bit more far than I planned. It's 40 minutes more. So I arrive around 3:34. It becomes dark here at 7, I think. Hi. So time to put petrol. Look, a Vespa. I pay here or there? Here? Full? Cabbed. Uh-huh. I didn't want to say nothing when I was there in the gas station, but you saw the guy put me 95. I didn't say nothing. He's gonna know better than me, right? A lot of people told me that it's not allowed. So a lot of people told me that it's not allowed, but the guy put, and I say, okay. I didn't want to say nothing there because maybe he would get confused. It's half of the price. I put 10 liters, 20 drinks. That's me 5 euros 10 liters. It seems that Malaysia have the most cheapest petrol in all Southeast Asia. There is a lake somewhere here. Oh, military. I was planning to fly it around. Yeah. I'm not sure if it's a lake or... Wow. It's a dam. Woo! There is a helicopter. Hostia puta, menos mal que no he volado el dron. I saw a lot of marks that there is a lot of white elephants here. I saw a lot of poo around the corners, broken trees, like the way of the elephants broken the tree, like I will be lucky enough to see one elephant at least, only one. Maybe. So, as I always carry reserve, I had here peanut butter. Oh my god, my hair. And I forgot that I have avocado here. So when I stop after, I would eat it with olive oil. Normally I always carry some food just in case, because you never know. And the other day I found this peanut butter without sugar, just 100% peanut butter, so it's great. I stopped here to take the drone, and I'm always looking around because here it's a lot of wild elephants. So I'm always checking just in case I have to run. Tuna, milk, some fruit, peanut butter, avocado, my fridge.
Tried to leave it all behind. Wandered alone through the night. Me and all of my dreams are fading. My darkness has won the fight. Is there someone?
Rain! It's raining!
A voice that will turn back
No.
Take me anywhere.
I have to close this. Nube! Cloudy, go away. Not now.
Has turned to sand. A place with no start and no end. In my mind I see clear water, endlessly waiting for us.
Raining! It's raining. Close pockets. Ready to go. Oi. And now, just because I put the raincoat, the rain's gonna stop. Ooh, a bit slippery, huh? I could feel in the hair there. Oh la la! Hostia! No! That's a dead piece of mine. So I'm gonna turn around because I saw they are selling something. And I think it's gonna be good. I don't know what they are selling, but I will see now. Yolks. What is that? A cook. Maybe it's red. Hi. They are cooking? Cooking? Ah, how long? 5 minutes? 10 minutes? Oh. This is bread?
No.
No bread. What is this?
Wait, apple.
Ako. Sweet? Fish?
No.
Salt?
Dessert.
Dessert? Ah. Ako. Uh-huh.
Traditional dessert.
Ah, okay. I wanna try. Maybe. How long are they gonna take? I don't know. Hi. How long? Time? How long? 10 minutes to 20 minutes. Okay. Thank you. 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna leave. So I'm gonna try it in other moment. There is sometimes that I'm kind of open to discover the food, but another time I just wanna eat something that I know. I don't wanna have to discover flavors. I don't wanna have to guess the food. I just wanna eat something properly. So I just stop here. I'm gonna eat something that I have here. I'm starving. My head is hurting. I have headache again. Oh my god. $120,000 kilometers already in the Tenere. Wow. Yay! How many kilometers do you think that I can do with the Tenere without touch the engine? I think with that bike I can do easily 250,000 kilometers without opening the engine. Until now, most of the time it was just normal revision. I didn't have any big problem with the bike, just small things, and it's great. Actually, it was a very good choice, that bike, for traveling. The CB500 also, it's great. I started with the CB and I did there 70,000, so also without any problem. KTM Duke 200. Did you saw that before? I think it's my first time in seeing a Duke 200. So I'm 18 kilometers from the city. Oof, I forgot the name. Barucatu, creo que es, I think it's called. To where I'm gonna sleep tonight. It's very close to the Thailand border, but in the other side, the opposite where I enter. Wow, that's a lot of traffic that I don't understand why. Maybe because like it's Saturday, but I don't know, doesn't make sense. Yeah. So here are my hotel. This one in the front. Quite big, eh? Bit weird. Hi. Back. Okay, wait. Good? So let's do the checking. So today's been a long day. I think lately it's happened quite often, long days, but it's part of the trip. I hope you liked the video. If you like, give a like. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and yep, hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to leave a comment. Bye, see you in the next video.